Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
You guys, it's time to take this off again. This piece did not want to stay on at all, so we're taking it off first because it's basically off already. There are so many icicles on me. Ow, pain. This thing is like gelatin. So nice and gross, we love it. If you're wondering how long this took me, 10 hours. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And while I'm very sad to be taking this look off, I am very excited to breathe again. Bye. There is paint in my mouth and paint in my nose. And I feel like there's paint in my hair. I don't know what that was. Okay, quick and painless, quick and... Ow. Okay, we're almost there. You might think I'm being dramatic, but that hurts. And in the trash you go. Be honest, did we miss the nightmare fuel? All clean.
Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. Take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? I cannot talk. But it means it's time to take this off again. Oh my god. I made her out of clay. Boop. It feels so weird. I actually finished the whole Zodiac series. So if you guys are asking for your sign, it's already been done. The reason I was saying ow is because that one was in my hair. This one isn't. Nice. I bought moss from Joann's and I thought it was fake, but it was real, so I literally just had real moss on my face. Get out of my hair, please. Thank you. I love ripping my hair off, don't you? My favorite part though is the little claws. All clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair's so messy. Back to the good stuff. Liquid latex literally, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Something we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls, unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
And he listens. And that's all I ever wanted. Just someone to listen. Someone to hear me. Judge Berman pays me back something that...
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off, and that is it.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Botched Barbie edition. First, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I literally don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try and start peeling off this liquid latex. Oh my god. What is going on? Ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Oh my god, why does it kind of look like bacon? Now I'm gonna just try and start wiping things and see what comes off. I just spilled makeup remover all over me. Are you kidding? Love that for me. I look great. I'm gonna go wash the remnants off of my face. Now I'm back to my natural state.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. Ah, there we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower.
Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have one eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup milk. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Ah! Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here and here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. Take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch! Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow! No, wait, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. So I have these fake little nails on, but they were too big, so I had to shove stuff in the back. So let's get these off. Wig snatched. Let's see if I can. Oh, wow. And number 2. Wow. This literally took so long, and I've had it on for like 5 seconds. Taking some cleansing balm. And I'm just gonna rub that in. Get the other side. The nose. Oh, wow. Get the neck. Now let's wipe. Look at those eyebrows! I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it. Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some Spirit Gum Remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. This is gonna hurt me. Ah! Ow! Hopefully this one's easier. This one had the most adhesive on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. My skin is literally burning. Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower.